Good day everyone! Mabuhay, mahal ka na. I am Jemima Gahote from HPC 121 Kitchen Essential. So today I will demonstrate the proper ways of sharpening a knife using a whetstone. So these are the materials that we needed. First, we have a chef's knives. Second, sharpening tools. And also, we have a damp towel for stability. So first, kailangan natin ilagay itong whetstone dito sa water para matanggal yung bubbles niya. So habang nag-aantay tayo is kailangan natin ng piece of papers para malaman natin kung ano yung 22.5 degree. So this side is 90 degree and kailangan natin siyang tupiin for 45 degree angle. Tapos, isa pang tupi para ma-reach natin yung 22.5 degree angle. So, after natin makuha yung 22.5 degree angle, is kukunin na natin yung whetstone dito sa water, tapos i-replace natin dyan. And next is, i-replace natin to dito sa paper para ma-reach natin yung 22.5 degree angle. And i-replace na natin dyan. So, I position the knife at 22.5 degree angle. I apply a pressure while sliding the blade forward. I make sure to sharpen both sides evenly. So, kapag tuyo na yung whetstone nyo, is lagyan muna natin siya ng tubig para maayos yung paghasa natin. So, now, I will test the sharpen using a tomato. So, this concludes my proper demonstrations. Always observe proper safety when handling knives. Thank you.